Learn English speaking through Hindi. हिंदी के माध्यम से अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखें. I would like to plus verb. You would use this sentence to politely tell someone what you are interested in doing. This can be a physical, mental, or verbal action. I would like to plus क्रिया. आप इस वाक्य का प्रयोग विनम्रतापूर्वक किसी को यह बताने के लिए करेंगे कि आप क्या करने में रुचि रखते हैं. यह शारीरिक, मानसिक या मौखिक क्रिया हो सकती है. Listen and repeat the sentences. वाक्यों को सुनें और दोहराएं. I would like to play golf. I would like to meet him. I would like to order a pizza. I would like to meet the president. I would like to become a scientist. I would like to answer that question. I would like to understand. I would like to go to Japan next year. I would like to thank you. I would like to book a single room for Saturday. I would like to share my new pictures. I would like to go for a walk after dinner. I would like to eat an apple. I would like to do this work myself. I would like to congratulate you. I would like to go to the cinema. I would like to talk to you about this matter. I would like to participate in a cooking contest. I would like to drink something. I would like to eat ice cream. I would like to meet you alone. I would like to add some milk to my coffee. I would like to see your new car. I would like to try again. I would like to make a phone call. I would like to explain myself. I would like to learn about animals. I would like to meet your family. I would like to mention one more thing. I would like to spend some time with my family.